Hey YouTube, it's your girl True Kinks. I just got back from a shopping excursion. I'm getting ready to head out of the country for 3 weeks, the longest vacation I've taken of my career, and I'm so excited. Um, anyways, I went shopping because I wanted to find some makeup. One of my cousins is getting married and another one's getting engaged. So I'm going to West Africa for their ceremonies, and I want to be able to come out dressed to impress, looking as cute as I can possibly muster. So I usually don't wear makeup. I guess there's a lot of reasons behind it. I had some bad experiences when I was younger trying to get ready for a school dance, and I'd go to Macy's, or at the time it was the Bon Marché, and they would insist upon using a color that wasn't quite my color. So I would end up looking like I had face paint on. I'd literally have a line of, hey, this is almost like a tan color, but not as dark as my color. So it just looked like I had white foundation on with color. So I really stayed away from makeup because I could never find my color in foundation. And then I just got to the point where I didn't wear makeup because I hadn't worn makeup for so long. So most of the time, I don't wear makeup. So I want to wear makeup, not all the time, but every now and again when I get dressed up. And of course, I've been seeing videos on YouTube that have been inspiring me to want to dabble in some makeup. I'm ranting now, but to make a long story short, I went in hunt of some foundation, powder, and a couple other makeup accessories so that I could do my face up for my cousin's engagement and also for my cousin's wedding. So I'm really excited to share what I got. This is Kiss Moisturizing Foundation. Please note the color of this foundation. It makes me want to just scream with joy. Y'all, this is dark cocoa. I find cocoa sometimes. I find dark brown. I find a lot of things that claim to be dark, but they just are not dark enough for my skin complexion. This is dark, dark brown. Okay, this is freaking, I don't know. This is not mahogany. There's no red tone to this. This is brown straight up. And that's what my skin complexion is. I am dark chocolate. So I'm excited that I found a foundation. I don't know if you can tell. I'm wearing it right here. I tried it out. I think I need a powder now on top. Okay, I don't know how it all works because I'm learning right now. I'm probably going to end up on YouTube for the next couple hours trying to figure it out. But if you are a dark sister like myself, or you are a friend of a dark sister like myself, this is the truth, okay? I'm getting this for all of my family members that are female that have probably been in the same boat as me looking for some foundation that's not 2 shades lighter, 4 shades lighter than our actual skin tone. And this was cheap. It was $5.99. I found it at the beauty supply store. I've never seen this brand in department stores. I'm just so excited, and we'll see how it holds up for a whole day. But I have it on, like I said, right now. I don't really need it on. I'm just playing with it. But dark foundation, so freaking exciting! I'm giddy off of this. Look, 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 look! Booyah in your face! Yeah, this is hot stuff.